Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the new Beauty test tube box for the spring box for 2024. We're also giving away one of these items to one of you. I'm going to set it down. It's kind of heavy. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Dirty Martini palette from Glam Light. Perfect for March with all these creams. Looks like this. And then in the description box down below, under current giveaways, you'll see link to enter this one as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. Okay, I have a personal question for you guys. Are any of y'all from Louisville, Kentucky? My son got a graduate school acceptance letter to there. And we're from Idaho, okay? I don't know anything about that area. If you know anything about it, if it's like a safe town, let me know in the comments down below. That's kind of what's going on in my life. But I'm not quite sure if he's going to accept it because it's like one of the more expensive schools. Actually, it is the most expensive school he was trying to get into. So we'll see. Okay, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glam Light Wine palette. And it is if you want purples, this has got you covered. There is, you know, the red and the gold and a little bit of the blue, but even that blue leans a little purple. So the NewBeauty test tube box is $59 per quarter, and you get like over $300 worth of items in here. I have found some gems, some really good things in here. It is very skincare heavy. There may be like one makeup item. There's usually like one or two tool items, and then the rest is all skincare. Is usually one or two hair type items in there as well. So let's dive down, let's find out what was in here. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. I love that they always send a magazine. It's pretty, you know, hefty magazine. We've got Bryce Dallas Howard here. And the NewBeauty, the box is picked by the NewBeauty editors. And they've got people on there who've got cosmetics backgrounds, hair care background, dermatology background, all sorts of different things on there. So let's dive in. So the first thing in here is from Image Skincare. It's a Biome Dew Bright Serum. It does retail for $69. It's clinically proven hydrating oil serum that leaves skin dewy and radiant. Its dual benefit formula deeply hydrates and resets radiance, helping to reignite a lit from within glow. You apply after clean, dry skin, both morning and evening, for your glowiest, most radiant skin ever. And then here's what she kind of looks like. That's I need some glowy skin. I got some dull skin going on here. Now I think this next item kind of there still feels like a lot in there, but that may have leaked some. So this is Salacare Island Orchid Skin Invigorating Serum Body Wash. It does retail for $12. I will say that there's a pump in here too that kind of goes with it. So it's formulated with biodegradable cleansing agents. This uplifting Island Orchid body wash gently cleanses without stripping the skin orchid, red algae, and guava help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving the skin soft, smooth, and deeply nourished and lightly fragranced. It does have a really light fragrance to it. This one sounds really nice. It's kind of like in the metal container. Divine's all-in-one oat milk. It does retail for $40. A multitasking hydrating hair milk that detangles, moisturizes, and helps manage frizz. You can totally see like this side is controlled. This side is more frizzy. I need help with the frizz, like right through here. And while leaving the hair feeling weightless, smooth, and soft, this one sounds pretty good. From NewBeauty is a radiance mask or revitalizing mask. Just retail for $55. This one is the revitalizing mask. Antioxidant rich, brightening and repairing qualities of the radiance mask renews dull texture and minimizes the appearance of pores, dark spots, and helps provide a more even skin tone. For the revitalizing mask, it calms, soothes, deeply moisturizes, and firms the skin for instant results. And there are 5 masks in here. Here we've got a Mistrini Woke Bay Whenever Moisture Spritz. Retails for $65 for moisture spritz. What is going on here? It's a daily treatment moisture mist, provides intense hydration, and can be used as part of our morning or evening skincare routine, or spritz it on, add a glow and boost the skin barrier, functions any time of day. I know these help with dryness, but $65? I mean, I have this one here. That's probably half the price. Unless there's like some really good other skincare ingredients where the other one's just basically water. You know, they talk about it being a go-to daily moisturizer, so it's got to have some stuff in it. For the welkest and glowiest skin of your life, spritz on your lightweight moisture mist. Whenev's natural watermelon extract provides an instant bump of healthy hydration, while marine isomers instantly plump away fine lines. So, be good, try. I love this. So this is BeautyAmaB. It's Angel's Throat and Décolletage Cream. Don't forget about those areas, ladies. So this one does retail for $35. It's 1.7 fluid ounce. And the #1 best-selling product from BeautyAmaB, this Luxe Cream is clinically proven to create firmer, smoother, younger-looking skin across the neck and décolletage in as little as 7 days. I noticed a little creepiness kind of going on, so I have to give this one a try. So here is your makeup item. It's from NewBeauty. Continuum Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. I absolutely love that it's waterproof, because if I like put it on my lower lash, a lot of times I have like really, I'm kind of oily right underneath my eyes, and so any liner, mascara, everything ends up, I'm looking like a football player by the end of the day. So this creamy, highly pigmented pencil highlights eyes for precise application that lasts all day. Available in 12 shades and packed with rich emollient. Glides on like silk and sets to smudge-free, waterproof finish. This one is in the shade, it is in the shade Deep Space. It's sealed, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that one yet. So this one here is Poppy and Pout Lip Balm. Retails for $9.95. It's a True handbag must-have popping pout. Lip balms are super smooth and made with 100% natural ingredients, an array of delicate scents, plus they're packaged in a recyclable cardboard tube. This one's sealed. I don't know if we're doing this in today's giveaway or future one. I've got a ton of lip balms. From Lalicious Velour Body Melt, retails for $39. It's a multitasking body care hero with a unique gel to oil formula. It's packed with nourishing skin loving ingredients to help heal and protect your dry-heated skin. I know if I don't put lotion on right after I get out of the shower, my skin is pretty dry. Even now I can feel my elbows are pretty dry after putting lotion on a couple hours ago. So they sent me a different version than what they have listed on their site. So on their site, it's supposed to be a Dionis goat milk whips body scrub, verbena and cream and lavender blossom. And it is the goat milk whip body scrub, but it is milk and honey blended with chamomile to exfoliate, soften, and nourish your skin. And the gentle yet hardworking body scrub uses whipped goat milk, camellia, and sugar to remove dry, flaky skin cells and leave skin nourished, smooth, and moisturized. So it's just a different scent than what they have listed. And that one did retail for $15. Now it's not on their site, but they did also send in an eye image, so the same thing as this company's Daily Prevention Sheer Matte Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum, SPF 30. It's a little thing to try out. So what did you guys think? My hands are kind of, I feel like I need to go wash them. They're a little bit sticky from whatever's going on here that spilled all over. I mean, I really like those masks. I think are probably my favorite. What are your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's give away that lip balm. I just have so many of them and I'd much rather give it away to one of you guys and then see it sit here and collect dust. Secret word of the day is spring. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. And you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is, like I said, you only fill out the form once, but you can mark it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your 4 ways. Your first one is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, AMA, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family and friends on your social media accounts. I just wanted a way to give back to you guys to say thank you so much for doing that. It really helps out the channel when you guys do. And I just wanted to let you guys know how much I appreciate that. So YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through April 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on April 17th, what I'll do is I'll come in and grab everybody's first name, first initial, the last names, put those in the computer. That is, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing. Put those in the computer spins it all around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It just makes it easier for me to mail out the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!